It's hard to imagine the web without it. It's what gives life and spirit to our favorite applications, and it's a major driver of new innovations in web development. Coming up, we'll dive into learning one of the most popular and in demand programming languages out there, and that language is JavaScript. JavaScript is hugely popular, flexible, and easy to learn programming language that can run in both web browsers and on web servers. JavaScript is so loved by developers that a meme worthy law came into existence in 2007. Any application that can be written in JavaScript will eventually be written in JavaScript. Along with HTML and CSS, JavaScript is part of the nucleus of web technology. The web simply wouldn't be what it is without it. In fact, 95% of the websites in the world use client side JavaScript. That's more than 15 billion websites. Before we begin, let's review the relationship between these three essential components. As you'll recall, HTML tells the browser how a web page content is structured. CSS tells the browser how a web page should look: layouts, fonts, colors, spacing, and all the elements that make a page attractive. In this module, you'll focus on the third core piece of full stack web development, JavaScript. JavaScript is the magic dust that makes web pages do things. Think for a minute about all of the ways you interact with the web: buying things, signing up for events, playing games, watching videos, posting on social media. None of this would be possible without JavaScript. For example, JavaScript can tell the browser what to do when a user clicks on a button, or how to suggest search queries to a user, or how to fetch data from remote servers, or how to stream music and video, and even how to loot a dungeon. In short, if you've ever done anything interactive on a web page, you can thank JavaScript. But before we get into all of that magic, you're going to learn the fundamentals of JavaScript and computer programming, including functions, which perform logical operations, variables, which store data, types of data, such as strings, numbers, arrays, and objects, loops to process arrays, conditional statements to make decisions, and you'll learn all of this using Chrome DevTools, which is built right into the Chrome web browser. After you've learned these skills, you'll have the foundation necessary to succeed in the rest of this course and in your career as a full stack web developer. At this point, you've proven that you can tackle the complex work required to make functional web pages. While this language may seem difficult at first, you already have a firm foundation to stand on as you learn JavaScript. So let's dive in and learn how to make the browser do cool, creative things with JavaScript.